And expectations, to me, that's what you want. I'd rather be in a situation where people expect a lot out of you, where fans want to win every game, where there's some preseason hype, than to be at a place where no one really cares. I think our players and our coaches have to understand that and embrace that. For me, I think it's great, and I think it helps us from an excitement standpoint. Like I said, if you learn anything about living in Houston the last few years, Houston supports a winner.
As far as the expectations go and plans, and I'm not so much for making plans. I think the only expectations I have, it's not numbers, it's not stats, it's not any of that stuff. Every time I go on the field, I expect to win. That's just kind of my nature, is being competitive, and so that's what I think this team is about. Every time we step on the field, we're going to expect to win, and that's our expectations. It's going to mean a lot. That means a lot to be mentioned in the same sentence as a lot of great players, and honestly, I think if that's happening, that means the team's doing well, and that's going to make me happy. And that's all I care about is helping my team win, whatever it takes. If I have to hand the ball off 100 times a game, then I'm going to do that.